Okay, first of all, good morning to all of you. By the grace of great Vaheguru and great God, let us discuss the today's lecture. In the last lecture, we have discussed the variation of Fermi level. Variation of Fermi level with the temperature. With the temperature. First of all, what is Fermi level? It is the most. It is the topmost field energy level at T is equal to 0 and energy corresponding to that Fermi level, that level is called a Fermi energy. But as we increase the temperature, what is going to happen? What is going to happen? Yes, what will happen? The electrons, the energy levels just below the Fermi levels, the electrons of the energy levels just below the Fermi levels, they get a energy. They get a energy in which form? Thermal energy. Okay, they will gain the thermal energy and will promote from low energy level to the high energy level. So as a result, the levels below the Fermi levels get empty while above are filled. समझ आई कि नहीं आई? तो जैसे ही इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को एनर्जी मिली तो क्या हुआ? इलेक्ट्रॉन जो आगे वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन्स थे वो और आगे आ गए. जो फर्मी लेवल के नीचे वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन्स थे, जो एनर्जी लेवल्स थे, वहां से इलेक्ट्रॉन ऊपर वाले लेवल्स में चले गए. तो दे गेट शिफ्ट फ्रॉम लोअर एनर्जी लेवल टू दी हायर एनर्जी लेवल. एज अ रिजल्ट फर्मी लेवल के जो नीचे के लेवल्स थे दे गेट एम्प्टी एंड जो ऊपर के लेवल थे वो क्या हो गए? हिंदी वालों को समझ आया? समझ आया? ओके. और हमने कल एक इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन डिफाइन किया था, दैट इज अ फर्मी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन. क्या था? फर्मी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन, और इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड अ फर्मी फंक्शन. इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड अ फर्मी फंक्शन. एंड द थर्ड नेम, इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड अ probability of occupancy. It is also called a probability of occupancy. And we have seen that when E is equal to EF, तो हमारी Fe कितना आ जाता था? 1/2. कितना आ जाता था? 1/. So we have just seen that with the increase in temperature, the Fermi level is not a fixed. Fermi level is not a fixed. It may vary. It can vary with respect to the temperature. With respect to the temperature. So today we will calculate the density of state for 3 dimensions. We will calculate the density of state for the 3 dimension. तो 1 dimension के लिए क्या relation था? बता सकता है कोई? Density of states is proportional to e raised to power minus 1/2 for 1t. So today we will calculate the density of state for a 3 dimension. Okay. So for this, what I have done, we have taken this is a K space. This is a K in the K space. We have drawn a sphere of radius K. Okay. So please write, in a system of n free electrons. In a system of n free electrons, comma, the occupied space states or orbitals, the occupied states or orbitals may be represented by a dots. Or points. May be represented by dots or points inside a sphere in the K space. ब्रैकेट में लिखते ना, in ground state. Okay. So this is we are doing for the ground state. Okay. समझ आया? ये जो पॉइंट्स हैं, ठीक है, ये पॉइंट्स क्या बताते हैं? These points are simply representing the states in the K space. Okay. Second point, the energy corresponding to surface of sphere, and what is the radius of the sphere? Kf. Okay. This is kx, this is ky, this is kz, and this is kf. Kf is the radius of sphere. The energy corresponding to surface of sphere, the energy corresponding to surface of sphere is called क्या होगी? Is called Fermi energy. Is called a Fermi energy. Is called Fermi energy. Next point, let kf be the wave vector. Let kf be the wave vector. Let kf be the wave vector. Let kf be the wave vector from the origin of the k space, to the surface of sphere, okay. Then Fermi energy is written as for the Fermi, this is F, this is F. ये expression पता कहाँ से आया? How we are getting this expression? I have told you in the last lecture how we are getting this expression. नहीं पता? See, note लिखिए. How we are getting this expression? What is energy? Energy is equal to half mv square. That is energy. Half mv square. Can I multiply by m and divide by m? ये बन गया m square v square upon 2m. And what is mv? Mv is called momentum p. So become p square by 2. Okay, this is one expression. Now we also know that lambda is equal to h over mv. It's a de Broglie relation. ठीक है, that you have done in 10+2. And what is mv? That is p. So p is equal to h by lambda, and I can write like this: lambda I will divide by lambda, I will multiply by lambda. Okay, so 2 pi से cancel हो जाएगा. ठीक है, hardly makes any difference. So what is this h by 2 pi? H by 2 pi is called h cross, and 2 pi by lambda is called a k. Okay, so P is equal to h cross k. P is equal to h cross k. So instead of P, I will write here h cross square k square for 2m. So that is how I am using this expression for the Fermi energy. This E will become EF and K will become KF. Okay, rest of the things will be same. Rest of the things will be same. समझ आ रहा है यार? Okay, this is the Fermi energy. Now please write there is only a one allowed. There is from figure. Please write from figure, comma. From figure, comma, there is only one allowed. There is only one allowed wave vector. There is only allowed. There is only allowed wave vector or one distinct triplet of quantum numbers, or one distinct triplet of quantum numbers kx, ky, kz, which correspond to volume element, 2 pi by L, which correspond correspond to volume element 2 pi by L cube of K space. ठीक है, of K space. ठीक है, ये वॉल्यूम एलिमेंट है 2 pi by L cube of the K space. Beside, next point. So, what is the surface area of this sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. And what is r? R is kf. Beside the surface area. The surface area of Fermi sphere. So the surface area of the Fermi sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi kf cube. कितना है बेटा? 4 by 3 pi kf cube. Okay. अब देखो, these dots are represents the electronic states. Okay. Now I want to calculate the number of total number of electronic states. Total number of electronic states. What I will do? I will divide the total volume. I will divide the total volume to this volume element of the K space. So I am getting the total number of electronic states. Okay. And I multiply by 2. Why? Because each state contains two electronic states. One is spin up, another is for spin down. समझ आएगी नहीं आएगी? जैसे for example I would say there are total I have a total 100 bananas. I have total 100 bananas and I have 50 students. And I have a total of 50 students. How many banana will get each students? 100 by 50. Same answer. So I divide the total volume to the volume element of the K space. That will give me the total number of electronic states. That will give me the total number of dots. Total number of dots. Or total number of electronic states. Dot or points. Okay. Total number of electronic states. And one electronic state means one electronic state contains one is for the spin up and another is for spin down. Please write. So what is n? See इसको आप सॉल्व करेंगे. After solving आप getting the see ये डिनोमिनेटर में है, ऊपर जाएगा तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा n is equal to v by 3 pi square pf. Okay. ये लिख दीजिए टू फैक्टर. लिख दीजिए टू फैक्टर means that two factor appears because there are two allowed value of ms. There are two allowed value of ms. One is plus half, another is minus half. Plus half means spin up, minus half means spin down. Okay. ये समझ आया कि नहीं आया? हिंदी वालों को समझ आया? टोटल वॉल्यूम को I divide the total volume of sphere to the volume element. That gives me the total number of electronic state. And why I multiply by 2? Because and there are two allowed values of ms. One is plus half, another is minus half. And each energy level possesses two states. One is spin up, another is spin down. So by calculating this, I am getting n is equal to v by 3 pi square kf u. इसको नंबर दीजिए. तो what is kf? यहाँ से आप kf कैलकुलेट कीजिए. Let us say this is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 2. हाँ जी, kf क्या आएगा? What is kf? From equation 1 क्या आएगा बेटा? So please kf cube is equal to 3 pi square upon v into n. So what I am getting, kf is central aggregate. This is your habit. Listen. kf is equal to 3 pi square n upon v. I'm taking the cube root. Let us say this is question number 3. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Friends, any doubt? Now please use this value of AF in equation number 2. Using equation 3. Using equation 3 in equation 2, we get last, we get, so EF is equal to h naught square upon 2m KF square. It becomes 3 pi square n upon v to the power 2 by 3. So I'm getting a Fermi energy. Okay. Now see, from here I am getting the 3 pi square n upon v to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 2m EF upon h cross square. Upon h cross square. So from here you can calculate the value of n. You can calculate the value of n. How? ये 2 by 3 है, ठीक है. I want to calculate the value of n. What I will do? I will multiply by 3 by 2 in the exponent. So I am getting 3 pi square n upon v is equal to 2m EF upon h cross square to the power 3 by 2. So what is n? That is equal to v by 3 pi square into 2m EF upon h cross square की power 3 by 2. This is question number 5. What is n? Total number of electronic states. What is n? Total number of electronic states. Okay. Any doubt? Now see in the note, please write. Adi, classical. What is the classical momentum? Classical momentum is mv. Classical momentum is equal to mv, and quantum, according to quantum mechanics, v is equal to h cross k. Let us say this is 5, 6 and 7. Compare 6 and 7. So getting mv is equal to h cross k. So what is v? V is equal to h cross k by m. This is classical momentum. This is the quantum mechanics momentum. Okay. So what I am getting? Velocity is equal to h cross k by m. Now I want to calculate the electron velocity at the Fermi surface. So what I will do? I will simply replace v by vf and k by kf. So please write. So vf is equal to h cross kf by m. Kf by m. Where vf is equal to electron velocity at the Fermi surface. At the Fermi surface, electron velocity at the Fermi surface. So Vf is equal to h cross kf by m. Let us say this is A. Now using what is the value of kf? This is a value of kf. This is a value of kf. Use 3 in A. Use 3 in A. Use 3 in A. I will write here. Use 3 in A. We get. अभी आपको कितना आया आंसर बताना? Vf is equal to h cross by m. What is kf? 3 pi square n upon v की power 1 by 2. Equation number 9. Equation number 9. Yes. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, ठीक है। Any doubt? Any doubt on this part? Okay, please last. अब देखिए जो एनर्जी स्टेट्स हैं वो कहाँ तक भरी हुई है, from up to how much extent the energy states are filled, up to the Fermi surface, up to the Fermi surface, up to the Fermi surface, up to the Fermi level, up to the Fermi levels, all the electronic states are filled and above all are empty. Okay, this is the point. This is the point. Okay, now please write in the next point. See. So can I do this? See, what is dE? See, what is dE? This is the density of states. This is the density of states. If I integrate density of states, if I integrate density of states from 0 to EF, what I will getting? मुझे क्या मिलेगा? मान लीजिए देखिए ये है Fermi level. These are the states that are filled. If this is 0, this is a EF. If I will integrate the density of state from 0 to EF, what I am getting? I will get the N. I will get the N. Total number of electronic states, and that is equal to N. That is equal to. ये समझ आया कैसे आया? There is no need to cram this expression. See, simply I have integrate the density of state from 0 to the Fermi level, 0 to the Fermi level EF. So that will give me the N. That will give me the N. And what is N? What is N? Total number of electronic states. Total number of electronic states. Please write. और total number of electrons. Total number of electrons. समझ आई नहीं आई? मैंने 0 से EF तक इंटीग्रेट किया तो मुझे क्या मिल गया? N. और N क्या है बेटा? Total number of electrons. Total number of ओके, तो कीजिए N की वैल्यू क्या है? 10. N मान लीजिए using 5 in 10. Using 5 in 10. Go to EF. क्या आया? V by 3 pi square into 2MEF upon H cross square की पावर 3 by 2. ओके, ठीक है, ये आ गया, यही आया ना आंसर? ठीक है, आपको पता है ना, you know that derivative and integration both are complementary to each other. अगर मान लीजिए इंटीग्रेशन लगा है और मुझे इंटीग्रेशन हटाना है तो मैं क्या करूंगा? दोनों तरफ क्या करूंगा? डेरिवेटिव. फॉर द इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स आई टेल यू derivative and integration both are complementary to each other. For example, if there is a one side integration sign is there and I want to remove this sign, what I will do? I will simply derivative both sides. I will simply do the differentiation both sides. जब इसका differentiation करूंगा इसकी integration क्या हो गई? खत्म. क्या हो गई? खत्म. क्या हो गई? खत्म. तो उससे पहले इसको आप indefinite form में लिख दीजिए. ठीक है? 11. Write 11. Indefinite form means without limits. Indefinite form means definite means with limits. So please write 11 in an indefinite form. Indefinite form मतलब indefinite form means yes. Indefinite form. मैं लिख देता हूँ indefinite form. Indefinite form means without limits. Without limits. हाँ जी. So equation 11 becomes last. What I'm getting? dE is equal to V by 3 pi square into 2MEF upon H cross square power 3 by 2 12। अब देखिए लिमिट्स हमने क्या कर दी इसकी रिमूव, लिमिट्स क्या कर दी हमने इसकी, ठीक है। इसको बोलते हैं इंडेफिनिट फॉर्म, इसको क्या बोलते हैं डेफिनिट इंटीग्रल, डेफिनिट फॉर्म। यू माइट हैव डन इन योर लोअर क्लासेस इन टेंथ मैथमेटिक्स, ठीक है। विदाउट लिमिट्स दैट इज कॉल्ड इंडेफिनिट इंटीग्रल and with limits that is called a definite integral. Now what I will do, Anji, I will use a trick. I will do the differentiation both sides with respect to e, with respect to e, with respect to e. So what I'm getting, see, when I will do the indefinite form, this ef will become e, this ef will become a e, this ef will become a e. Okay, so please write differentiating differentiation with respect to e both sides. So what I'm getting, de is equal to हट जाएगा ना, ये de में हट जाएगा, ये de में हट जाएगा, v by 3 pi square constant, 2m is constant, h cross square is constant, तो डेरिवेटिव किसका होगा e की पावर 3/2 का, किसका होगा e की पावर का 3/2. What I'm getting, v by 3 pi square 2m by h cross square की पावर 3/2 ऐसे रहेगा, आ जाएगा 3/2 e 1/2, 3/2 e into 1/2. Okay, any doubt? 3 cancel. So what is density of states? What I'm getting, dE is equal to v by 2 pi square, यही है ना, into 2m by h cross square की पावर 3/2 into e की पावर 1/2. ये आंसर है हमारा. ये किसके लिए दोस्तों, दिस इज फॉर दी 3D. तो 1D में क्या था, 1D में डेंसिटी ऑफ स्टेट किसकी प्रोपोर्शनल थी, e रेज़ टू पावर -1/2, और यहाँ किसकी प्रोपोर्शन आ रही है, e रेज़ टू पावर 1/2. और 3 पॉइंट और चला वालन, और DE इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू c, ये सारा क्या है कांस्टेंट, ये भी क्या है कांस्टेंट, अब्जॉर्ब हो गया तो किसके इक्वल आया, प्रोपोर्शनल टू e टू पावर 1/2. 14. दिस इज फॉर उसका ग्राफ कैसे होगा दोस्तों, पैराबोलिक. कैसा होगा, ये क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है, पैराबोला. ये क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है, पैराबोला. पता ना पैराबोला, पैराबोला कैसा होता है, ऐसे जब आप स्क्वायर करोगे, जब आप क्या करोगे, दोनों तरफ क्या करोगे, स्क्वायर करोगे तो बन जाएगा d स्क्वायर e इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू e. तो ये क्या बन गया, पैराबोला. क्या बन गया, ठीक है. कैसा बना, d इस तरफ, e इस तरफ, ऐसा पैराबोला. क्या बना, ऐसा. And this is called the EF. This is called the EF. Any doubt? Any doubt? तो देखिए फर्मी लेवल से नीचे सारे लेवल्स क्या हैं, फेल्ड. ऊपर वाले क्या होंगे, ये समझ आया पैराबोला कैसा आया. देखो ये कैसा बना, 4 तरह के पैराबोला होते हैं ना, देखो कौन कौन से होते हैं, कौन कौन से होते हैं पैराबोला, नोट लिखिए. y square is equal to 4ax, y square is equal to -4ax, x square is equal to 4ay, x square is equal to -4ay. ठीक है, तो ये कौन से वाला है बताइए, ये कौन से वाला है? ये है y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू x, मतलब पहला ये फॉर्म है। ये इसका पैराबोला कैसा होता है? इसका पैराबोला होता है ऐसे, ऐसा होता है ना। तो ये पैराबोला और ये पैराबोला क्या हो गए? सेम। क्या हो गए? सेम। ठीक है, दिस इज सिमेट्रिकल लॉग ओरिजिन। ओके, तो ये ऐसा होता है। ठीक है, आपने एक क्वेश्चन लिया है, फर्स्ट हाफ लिया है। यस, कौन सा? 4a 4a, ये कांस्टेंट होता है बेटा, 4a कांस्टेंट। क्या क्या कह रहा? आप मैथमेटिक्स की क्लास में ये पूछना, ठीक है? ठीक है, तो प्लीज राइट इक्वेशन 13 एंड 14 आर सेम। Equation 13 and 14 are same, and it represents the graph is parabolic. The graph is parabolic. Or DE versus E. Or DE versus E is parabolic. 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 इसको आप ऐसे शो कर सकते हो। ठीक है दोस्तों, ये क्या मतलब है? मैंने किया, क्या मतलब है इसका? What does it represent? Below the Fermi level, states are filled, above are, इससे आगे क्या है? खाली, ऊपर खाली है, नीचे क्या है? जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल I would say in the hostel there are 10th floor, or up to 6th floor all the rooms are filled. So 6th floor is the Fermi level. So below 6th all the rooms are filled, above 6th all are empty. All are empty. So what is DE versus E? What is DE? What is DE? What is DE? Density of states. So in today's lecture we have calculated the density of states for 3 dimensions. For 3 dimensions. Now let us recapitulate. Aji, please keep quiet. Note लिखिए। Density of state is proportional to e raised to the power minus 1 by 2. ये किसके लिए होता है? For 1t. Density of states is proportional to e raised to the power 1 by 2. This is for तो ये क्वेश्चन पक्का आता है। Please write the question. Calculate the density of states for 3 dimensions. Calculate the density of states for 3 dimensions. Calculate the density of state for 3 dimensions. For 3 dimensions. Answer. Answer as above. Answer. Calculate the density of states for 3 dimensions. पक्का आता है 1D के लिए, 3D के लिए और 2D के लिए। तो मैंने 1D और 3D के लिए I have calculated the density of state for 1D and 3D, and for 2D you will do by yourself. You will do by yourself. तो ये एक्सरसाइज आपके लिए। तो प्लीज राइट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। कैलकुलेट द डेंसिटी ऑफ स्टेट्स फॉर 2 dimension. आंसर do by yourself. Do by yourself. Calculate the density of states for 2 dimension. Answer do by तो उसका भी मैं आपको आंसर बता देता हूं कि क्या होगा। उसका आंसर ये आएगा e raised to power 0. e raised to power 0 का मतलब क्या होता है? 1. क्या आएगा? 1. I mean to say when you will calculate, तो राइट हैंड साइड विल बिकम कांस्टेंट. राइट हैंड साइड विल बिकम, उसमें e नहीं आएगा. e will not appear. e will not appear. If e will not appear, then we can write e raised to power 0. e raised to power, तो वो आंसर कुछ ऐसा आ जाएगा. वो आंसर कुछ ऐसा आ जाएगा de is proportional to constant. Proportional to constant. और constant का मतलब क्या हो गया? e raised to power 0. e raised to power This is for 2D. This is for any doubt from this part? Any doubt? Any doubt? So please write calculate the density of states for 2 dimension. Calculate the density of states for 2 dimension. Answer do by yourself. Do by any doubt? Pending Joseph. हिंदी वाले बच्चों को कोई प्रॉब्लम आपको समझ आया सब? सिंपल था. So today we have calculated the density of state for okay. So wrap करते हैं. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the session. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.